Alright, this is how to remove and replace the light bulb in your '06 Prius. Probably works for other cars. First thing you want to do is remove the fuse box relay cover. It's got this tab on it right here, which you got to push in kind of hard, but once you get that, thing just pops off easy enough. The next step you want to do is remove the electrical connector. You're not going to be able to see anything that you're doing, so we do have a few pictures printed out. Picture number 1 shows with the electrical connector connected already, and going to picture number 2, you could see that the connector is off. And also notice up here you've got this round weather cover with the lock on it. Now if you go over to this next picture, this is one of the studs that helps you unlock this device. In fact, I'll pull this out real quick here. And it is attached to the light bulb, but once you unlock it, you can just pull it right off of that light bulb. Doesn't matter, it's built to pull off. This is the weather cover. I just pulled it off of the light bulb, was sticking in through here, you know, this way. The electrical connector's sitting out this way. You notice it says open, and it's got the arrow this way. Says top, and also says lock. There's an arrow down here at the bottom which points to the largest tab. That's the tab that you want on the bottom to get it in place, and then you simply rotate it. To lock it, you rotate it counterclockwise. To unlock it, you'd rotate it clockwise, in other words, towards the driver's side. Once you get the rubber weather cover out, the last thing we got is another picture showing the pin that holds the light bulb in place. This angled piece right here is what you push down on, and then you pull it up and then swing it out like a gate, and that will allow the light bulb to come out. I'm going to do mine here, pushing it in, releasing it upwards, pulling it out, and then I put my fingers on the 3 electrical tabs that you see there, and I simply pull the light bulb out, and it's out of the car. Once you get the new light bulb, do not touch the lens whatsoever, and basically throw it back in. It's a reverse steps of what you're doing. Make sure that the single tab is towards the top, the 2 tabs towards the bottom. When you're putting it in, you can look at the car's headlight assembly, and that'll kind of help you understand how to get it in. But basically reverse procedures. I'll make up a second video showing how to do that.